In an effort to address the persistent vulnerabilities within Africa regional frameworks and ensure adherence to the global standards in combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction, at least 22 African countries have gathered for the Eastern and Southern Africa Anti-Money Laundering Group's Task Force Senior Officials meeting. The gathering aims to deliberate on the development of a unified adaptive response to these critical challenges.
The challenges we face in combating financial crimes are growing in complexity and in scale. The misuse of emerging technologies, cross-border nature of illicit financial flows, and the lingering vulnerabilities within our frameworks for anti-money laundering, they all call for a more unified, strategic, and adaptive response. In this regard, the SM Lab remains a vital platform for fostering regional cooperation, sharing expertise, and strengthening compliance with international standards.
These financial crimes are not confined to national borders. They are threats that demand regional and global collaboration. Criminal networks exploit weaknesses in financial systems to move illicit funds across borders, undermining economic growth, fueling corruption, funding terrorism and inflation.
The need for the African continent to regulate virtual assets activities was emphasized during the meeting, particularly in the context of combating crimes with significant economic impacts.
As we all prepare for the third round of mutual evaluations, let us embrace these assessments, not as criticisms, but as opportunities to strengthen our systems and reinforce our shared commitment to financial integrity. We must remain vigilant in addressing emerging threats, including those posed by virtual asset activities and operations of virtual asset service providers, environmental crimes, but also illicit trade. Addressing these challenges requires innovation, sustained political will, and strong collaboration among all the stakeholders.
For Uganda, this meeting is timely as it provides a valuable opportunity to assess Uganda's compliance with the Financial Action Task Force standards following the country's removal from the grey list in February last year. Betty Ndagire, NTV Business.